Hi guys, Aubrey and Brian here from Huck Phinn Leatherworks.
Welcome to the Garage Workshop.
Yes, you guys have seen us through so many different workspaces,
Yes.
from the tiny little table in the back of our 80s camper.
Like tiny little table. You can hear the car driving by. This is why we are trying to expand into a larger workshop. We've got a workbench, a work table, leather shelves. We need more space.
And we're in our garage.
We're in our garage, you know, it's time to grow.
It's tiny, yeah. So the next part of this is that we're trying to move into a really cool spot in our downtown area of our city.
It's a historic building and
It used to be a brothel, which I love.
yeah, it used to be relevant. Anyway, it needs a little bit of love and we want all of you guys to join us for the journey.
Yeah, our big idea behind this place though too is giving you guys a place to come visit as well. So in the back portion of it, we're gonna have our workshop,
Expanded workshop, couple
workshop,
tables,
maybe a little bit more machinery to help
Yeah,
us move things along.
expanded workshop key. Front of it is gonna be
Retail space, a little lounge area, so that if you guys are driving through and you want to come stop and see us, you have a place to come hang out.
And we
meet
can
us.
give you pointers on local hikes, places to go, good food to eat, the next stop. Yeah.
all of that stuff, but we want you guys to join us along for the ride and see where this next chapter takes us.
Yes. Thank you.